Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process to install stunning high-end shaders in Minecraft Java Edition to completely transform your blocky world with hyper-realistic lighting, dynamic shadows, and beautiful waving water effects. To begin this visual upgrade, you must first install a dedicated optimization mod client like Iris Shaders or Optifine, which act as the primary engine bridge to load external graphic configurations into your game. Open up your web browser, navigate over to the official Iris Mod website, download the Universal Jar installer file directly to your desktop, and run the file while ensuring your standard Minecraft launcher is completely closed out in the background. Select your desired game version from the drop-down menu installer and click Install to automatically generate a brand new modded profile inside your game directory. Next, visit a trusted community hosting platform like CurseForge or Modrinth to browse popular shader packages such as complementary shaders or BSL shaders, downloading the compressed zip file directly onto your storage drive without unzipping the contents. Now, launch your official Minecraft launcher client, choose your newly created Iris or Optifine profile from the installation list, and boot up the main game to reach the title screen. Click straight into your Options menu layout, select the Video Settings button, open up the Specialized Shader Packs folder interface, and click the Open Shader Pack folder button to bring up your Operating System File Explorer window. Simply drag and drop the downloaded shader zip file right into this active folder directory. Return back to your live game screen where the shader pack name will instantly materialize in the list. Click on it once to select it and hit Apply to enjoy a completely breathtaking graphical overhaul. Subscribe the channel for more videos.